Hey guys, welcome back to Asvi Creative. This is Ashwati. Today I'll be doing a very simple and easy bridal makeup look with just affordable products, and not just that, we'll be also doing a hairdo with Gezra, and here we will be not using any heat. So it is very easy, very simple. Any beginner can do this because when it comes to makeup, I myself am beginner. So if I can do it, you guys can definitely do this. So if you guys like this look, please keep on watching. First of all, I'll be blotting my face with a tissue paper so that if there is any excess oil, that just goes away. As you guys all know, if our face is oily, that is gonna make our makeup to melt off very easily. So to avoid that, make sure that you blot your face and make sure that your face is really clean. And for moisturizer, I'll be using Wow Aloe Vera gel. It does suit me pretty well, but then you guys can definitely choose any moisturizer which is available with you or which does suit your skin pretty well. But then do not skip this step because prepping your skin for makeup is very important, because that helps your skin to glow. Then we'll be using streetwear lip balm. You guys can again use any lip balm of your choice, and then wait for 5 minutes so that moisturizer and lip balm is there on your skin and works pretty well. Then for primer, I'll be using this Lakme Blur Primer. This is my favorite primer because it has got a pink tint, and that definitely helps to give a brightening effect. Not just that, it kind of blurs off the pores and definitely helps makeup to last longer. I have applied it especially to my T-zone area as well as wherein I have got pores. Then I'll be taking this compact powder which is from Miss Claire. I'll be tapping off the excess powder, and I'll be taking only very little of the product, and I'll be applying it all over my face. This is we are doing so that our makeup lasts longer. Especially if you have oily skin, you can definitely do it, but then if you have very dry skin, you need not do it. But then if you have oily skin, please go ahead and do this. And then for foundation, I'll be mixing two foundation together. One is Wet n Wild foundation, another is Nykaa foundation. Why? Because Wet n Wild foundation is a little darker to my skin tone, whereas Nykaa foundation is a little lighter to my skin tone. But then when I mix it both together, it is definitely a good match for me. So if you guys have a foundation which does suit your skin tone really well, you guys can definitely go ahead and take this. But then since I do not have a perfect match foundation, I'll be customizing one. So I'll be mixing it really well and then applying it all over my face, dotting it all over my face. Then I'll be using a makeup sponge to blend it really well. Here I have used a Pune makeup sponge. If you want better coverage, maybe you can you can definitely use a brush, but I feel that this sponge works pretty well. It does give good coverage, it doesn't soak up a lot of product, and it is very affordable and it is easily available. You guys can take it from get it from Amazon. Even I think purple it is there, I'm not sure, but then it is easily available from Amazon for sure. And I'll be blending my foundation really well using this Pune makeup sponge. I'll be dabbing and dabbing. Please take your time. Please take at least 10 minutes to blend your foundation, at least when you feel that it is completely blended. After blending my foundation really well, I'll be using this LA Pro concealer. This is my favorite concealer. It has got good coverage, it blends so well. So I'll be applying this concealer in triangular form under to my eyes, on my eyelids and bridge of my nose, forehead little bit, and around my mouth. This concealer is teeny tiny bit lighter to my skin tone, so it acts as a highlighter as well. So that's the reason I'll be highlighting my face with the same concealer. So I'll be making sure that I apply a good coat of this concealer on my eyelids, because I'm not using any eyelid primer. So it is very important that I use concealer so that my eyeshadow pops out. Not just that, eyeshadow stays for a longer time. Then again, with that pointy thing of my beauty sponge, I'll be blending it really well. As I said, this concealer does blend really well. And the best part is that we have good shade range, as well as this foundation does have good shade range, so dusky and deeper skin tone can find a good match for them. So that's a main thing I have done in this video, is that I have taken product which has good shade range. Again, I'll be using this compact powder to set my makeup. This compact powder again has got good shade range. This has got 10 shades, so again, if you are deeper skin tone than me, you can definitely find a shade matching to your skin tone. And I'll be applying it really well, a good coat, but make sure that it is not cakey. And then I'll be doing my eyebrows, but then make sure that you take off that foundation from your eyebrows. That's very important, because we have put on a lot of foundation. There's chance that it might be there on our eyebrows as well. Please take that off with a tissue, and then with that pencil of that eyebrow product, I'll be just drawing small strokes, and then with the powder end I'll be going over it again, so that it blends really well and gives a natural look. This is not my favorite eyebrow product, but then still it works pretty well. And then for eyeshadow, I'll be using this Wet n Wild eyeshadow quad, and then I'll be taking this brown shade and tapping off the excess. I'll be applying to my outer corners at first, and then blending it into my crease. It acts as a good transition shade, and I'll be repeating the same to the other eye as well. This is a very good eyeshadow quad. I really like it. It's very affordable, first of all, and again, you can get it from Nykaa. And then with a clean blending brush, I'll be just blending that really well, so that there is no harsh line at all. As that of foundation, it is very important to blend the eyeshadow as well. Then I'll be taking this golden shade, which is from Revlon. I'll be picking it up with my fingers itself, so that it has got better color payoff, better intensity of color. And then I'll be applying it all over my eyelids, so that there is a golden color. Here I have given a golden eye look, so that it suits most of our Indian outfit. Most of our lehengas or saris does have a golden tint to it, golden shade to it, so this makeup look is gonna suit all variety of outfits. And then with a clean brush, I'll be blending my crease again, so that that golden shade and brown shade kind of mixes up. And then I'll be taking star of the day, that is this Wet n Wild glitter eyeshadow. This beautiful glitter, guys. It's very affordable, but then glitter is so beautiful. I'll be applying it to my eyelids, a good coat of it, because it's a bridal makeup look, and we need to shine. So I thought that it is appropriate. This glitter eyeshadow is very appropriate for bridal look. So I'll be applying a good coat of it to my eyelids, and then it works perfectly with our fingers. I think it works best with our fingers. You need not use any brush. And then I'll be taking this light pink shade from the same eyeshadow quad, and then I'll be again blending it, so that there's a diffused look, a better look. And then I'll be blending it really well. So that's it, it's done. I'll be again taking this golden shade and highlighting my inner corners, so that eyes has a bigger look, and it gives a complete look, right? And then I'll be taking my favorite kajal, this Plum kajal, and it lasts so long. Again, I have made the point that I have taken products which does last for a very long time. Here I have applied kajal to my waterline as well as lash line. Then taking that brown shade from the same eyeshadow quad, I'll be blending my lash line really well, because that completes the look. Then I'll be drawing a thick liner with the Plum kajal with a small wing. It need not be that neat, but please try to make it as neat as possible. So I have tried my maximum to make it as neat as possible. And then I have tight lined my eyes as well. And then a very small wing, but then it's up to you guys. If you want to go for an elongated wing look, you can definitely go ahead and do it. And then taking that brown eyeshadow, I'll be just slightly, ever so slightly, I'll be smudging the edges of my kajal, just the edges, that's it, not completely, and that's it. Then I'll be curling my eyelashes really well, because that makes our eyelashes really beautiful. Then I'll be using Wet n Wild mascara. This is a beautiful mascara, guys. It's very affordable, and then it just lengthens the lashes really well, and it gives volume as well. It's really nice. Then I'll be using fake lashes because it's bridal look. That's the reason I went with lashes. Even though I'm not very comfortable with it, I thought to complete the look, lashes are very important. Then I'll be using this Ardell eyelash glue, and you guys know the drill. Just go ahead and do it. It took me some time because I'm not very much used to it. So if you are planning to put on eyelashes for your big day, please do have good practice of it. And then for bronzing, highlighting and everything, we are gonna take this Savannah bronzer kit, and then I'll be taking that highlighting shade, and then obviously highlighting all those areas where we usually highlight. You guys know where it is: cheekbones, a bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow. And then for contouring, I have taken the same contouring from that Savannah bronzer, and then I'll be contouring my nose. You guys can definitely go ahead and contour your cheekbones, jawlines and everything, but then here I have just contoured my nose because my cheeks are already very thin, so I didn't went with that. But you guys, if you want, you can definitely go ahead and do it. Then I'll be taking a Miss Claire lip liner. This is very good lip liner, especially the shade is really beautiful. So I'll be not just outlining my lips, I'll be just filling in my lips really well with the same lip liner. And then I was a little confused which lipstick I should use from Blue Heaven, Raspberry Love or Punk Maroon. Since my outfit was red, so I thought I will go ahead and use bright lip shade, that is Raspberry Love. Then definitely we need to set our makeup. For that I'll be using LA Pro makeup setting spray. I'll be spritzing it all over, and it's it's done. So before that, just fan it a bit so that our makeup is set. And then for jewelry, before that we need to apply, put on a bimbi. I have bought this jewelry from Amazon. If you guys want a proper review of it, I will leave the link in the card as well as description box. Please do check it out. I'll be also leaving the link of this jewelry because it's very affordable. It was just for 400 rupees, this whole set. And for this Monk Tika, what I've done is I've put on a thread that's I'm gonna explain you later. So for hairstyle, I'll be taking middle partition. If you guys want side partition, you guys can definitely go ahead and take that. Here I always go for middle partition, that's what I like. Then I'll be taking a small section and then back combing it so that there is that volume. So it's better to back comb with a teaser, but then definitely with a comb as well it works. And I'll be repeating the same for the other side as well. I'll be back combing that section really well, and then I'll be back combing my crown area as well, because we want that volume, because that gives a better look. It is always better to have that volume, else it will be very flat and it won't be that beautiful. And then let's work with one section. First, what I'm gonna do is I'll be just taking a very small section and then twisting it, and then I'll be taking another section of hair and adding to that first section and twisting it. I'll be repeating the same till I reach back of my ear, and after that I'll be securing it with a bobby pin, and I'll be doing the same for the other side as well. Just take small section and twist it, and then add on a small section to it. Once you reach at the back of your ear, secure it with a bobby pin. And then I'll be putting on Monk Tika. For that I'll be putting on Monk Tika and securing it on that thread which we have already put on, and then I'll be rotating that thread onto my bobby pin which I've already put on, so that it remains secure for a very longer time. And not just that, that bobby pin won't be visible, since it is at back part, it won't be visible. Then at the front section I'll be pulling little bit, so that it gives little bit more volume, and then I'll be setting this with a hairspray. And then if you want your hair to be open, you can just leave it like that, but I'm gonna go for a bun, side bun here. For that I'll be putting on a side pony. Once it is done, just twist your hair really well, and then put on just twist it and just put on as a bun, just like so. And just secure it with as many U-pins as you have. Securing this bun, any kind of bun with U-pins is much better than securing it with bobby pins, because U-pins does hold this bun really well. So just keep on doing it. I have used almost 10 to 15 U-pins so that it is secure enough. Then I'll be taking this gajra, jasmine flower, and then I'll be just putting all around this bun, just like so. Again, that's up to you. If you want, you guys can definitely go ahead and use fake flowers, but since it is bridal look, I thought of going with gajra. I really love gajra flowers. I absolutely love it. That's the reason I went with it. And again, I'll be securing it with lots and lots of U-pins and bobby pins. And then this is the final look. I really hope you guys have liked this look. If so, please do let me know in the comment section down below. And this whole outfit is stitched by myself, the skirt, everything. So this video will be coming up very soon, how to stitch this lehenga. So let me know what you think about this look. I have put in lot of effort. I really hope you like it. If so, please do give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. So see you very soon in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye, take care, love you all, and let me know, did you guys like my lehenga? So that's it guys, bye bye, love you all.